Art snacks time. I don't know why I get so excited. But I do. Okay. Oh, fun stuff. Are we getting ready for Inktober? Oh, and Phthalo Blue in the M-gram. Nice. Got our candy. Oh wow, yeah, a black pencil. Something in there. Okay. So let's see what we got here. That one says black, but it's got a blue case. Okay. So, let's read what it says. Zebra Sensations brush pens, $2.50 each. They should be super fine, fine, and medium. That's fine, super fine, and medium. Awesome. Okay. And I already said the M-gram artist watercolor. You know this retails for $15.29. Of course, a tube lasts you a long time. Well, should we open them up and... Am I out of sync today? I don't know. I feel like I'm out of sync. Okay. That one was the super fine. I have to remember the blue one is super fine. The gray one, see, it's got a gray cap, is fine. Cool, cool, cool. And this one is medium. Okay, let's see. Find bold strokes, brush pens, versatility, permanent water resistant pigment. Cool, okay. Says water resistant. Let's find a paintbrush so we can, you know, just get it wet if we want to. Okay. So, it does have sort of a bouncy tip. Okay. So, this is super fine. Can you see that even? But you can also push on it. You can get big and little. Cool. And this one is fine. Stick to a thin line. A little bit thicker. And then you can get the varied strokes. I love these kind of pens. I love the rubber brushy tip things. Okay, and then this one was medium. So you've got that. If I tilt it on the side, you can get, let's see. Still get that kind of, see any of these if you tilt on the side. So this one was the middle one. You can get a thick stroke. Even with this one, not quite as thick. We're getting ready for Inktober, that's for sure. Okay, I think I spied that there's a paintbrush in here. So we will test that out with our little watercolor, shall we? Okay. So it's a Princeton Synthetic Sable Round Brush. I'm going to be gone for a week in October, so I'm not sure how much of Inktober I will be doing. Quite stiff. That's good though. That's how I paint. Oh, and that's just like Okay, hang on. I was not prepared for that to come squishing it out like that. Where's the little palette? Still coming out. There we go, back in. Okay. Just grab a little. There we go. Make a mess. Okay, paper towel. So the M-gram, I believe, are the ones that have honey in them. Is that right? Do I have this color already? Phthalo blue? I feel like I do. So this is thicker, darker. Pretty color. I love my blue colors. There's a nice little paintbrush. Let's see. Can write with it. Cool. Alright. And then the last thing is a Faber-Castell Albrecht Dürer Magnus watercolor pencil. And what color do I have? Does it say on here? It doesn't say the name of that color. But so it's a watercolor pencil. Now I want a bigger. There you go. Well, since we're messing with water, let's check it out. I think I got a little blue on there. Oh, it seems to smear just a little bit, doesn't it? Let's see. Get the big one. Do a line. Hit it with the heat gun just to be sure it's dry. We're at it. Okay. That should be dry, right? A little bit of water. Try not to touch anything else. My water has, yeah, it's pretty good. I mean, you'd have to work pretty hard to get color to come up. Pretty good. Alright, so what we're going to create with these, yeah, interesting, another interesting color combo, right? Alright, I'll figure that out and be back.